A lot of clients describe the early Barndominium process the same way. It feels like I'm gambling. Not because they're reckless, but because no one has shown them how the decisions connect. They're told, well, this should work, or most people do it this way, or worse, we'll figure that out later. That is not a plan. That is hope at best. Barndominium projects only feel like a gamble when strategy's missing. When everything isn't evaluated together, clients are left guessing which decisions matter most and when. When the strategy is clear, from the start, the risk drops dramatically. Clients understand what's being decided, why it matters, and how it impacts everything that comes next. That's when the process stops feeling like a roll of the dice and starts feeling intentional, controlled, and doable. You shouldn't have to hope your barndominium works out. You should understand why it will. You know you want one. I'm the Barndo Chick. Click the link.